Okay, welcome back to the tutorials if you've been following along recently. So last time I was talking about caustics. So this time, I'm going to be talking about emissions. So last time we were talking about caustics, we were talking about reflections and making everything metallic and looking at the light refractions and stuff like that. So this time we're going to be doing emissions with an object. So an emission within an object is basically making an object, theoretically, a light bulb. So, if you need an object and you need that object to glow, we're going to be looking at that today. I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So, we have two types of lighting mostly in Blender, which is the emissions, or you've got regular light. So, there are a few other options that you can choose from. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic object light up a different colour, and then I'm going to be looking at text and how to make text a different colour. So we'll start off with the basic objects first. If you're following along, please switch to cycles. These tutorials are all cycles. So we will start with the materials section, and we're going to go to emission. Change the subject to an emission, and boom, it's an emission, but I don't like showing it you like that, so we're going to just undo that. So this is a basic square object. There's nothing special about it. I'm just going to remove the light right here from the scene, and we notice that it goes dark. Okay, so we click the object. We're going to go to emission, down in the surface drop down, and boom, we have a cube that lights up. The best thing about this is you can make this cube brighter. You can make this cube darker. So you can have the cube that's like this. My computer's just slowly filling in the information right now. So to change the colour of this cube, we just go to the colour wheel. We can have it a ruby red. Now, let me mention something right here. So the stronger the strength of the emission, the whiter the object is, if that makes any sense. So the less stronger the emission, the more colour there will be on the object in particular. So if I just lower the colour here, lower the emission even, now we have a nice kind of royal kind of red with a red emission. But if I turn it all the way up, it will turn white, and then you'll just get the red emission. So, talking about text and emission, if you're doing anything neon, let me see. I'm just going to delete my default cube right now, and I will go to normal view just for this. We're going to add text. So it should be in the drop down menu of add text. There we go. Very self-explanatory. Now, to edit this text and to make it 3D, we want to go to edit mode. Now I'm just going to remove this background a little bit here. And edit mode, there we go. So, I don't know, what can we type in here? Becky is the best. There we go. Becky is the best. Go to object mode. Come down to your text, which is your data, and we are going to go to font. I mean, you can choose any font really. I'm just going to quickly choose a font that I would like. So I think this one best fits neon. If you're going to put this in neon, let me see now. I lost the actual drop down for this a while back. Here we go. Right, so we've got the offset, which you can make this bigger, this smaller. I mean, experiment with your blender. It works. So this actually extrudes it so that it's 3D. So what I'm going to do is rotate this by 90. Yeah. Put this G up. Scale it. So we've got that, and then I'm going to put a plane down so that you guys can see the kind of the lighting that's going to come off this, and then I'm going to put some random objects just in the background, just to kind of capture that light and just make it look a little bit better. So UV spheres. I'm gonna make that into a disco ball. That'd be pretty cool. Just 1 second. Make that metallic, and then we want to make this. So we're going to the rendered view of this, and to make this metallic, we just do the same with the other one. So we just want to go to surface. We want to go to emission, and boom, we have an emission. Let's make this blue. So blue emission, and then we want to turn it up a little bit. And that's basically how you make your emissions in Blender. Make this object a little bit bigger in the background, maybe, so you can kind of see it. But yeah, that's basically how you make text glow in Blender and how you make your objects glow in Blender. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I don't think my computer's registering this very well. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.